In the last video I laid these reclaimed sandstone slabs in our yard, and in this video I'm going to be cleaning them up so they look just like this, like new again. If you want to learn how to remove black spots and lichen from your slabs, make sure you keep watching. You can see just how dirty and marked these slabs are, but by the end I'll get every single mark off of these. I started off by pressure washing the slabs, and this actually makes them look a little bit worse because it highlights the black spots and the lichen. It is an important step though, because the more dirt that you can remove from your slabs, the better the chemical treatment will work. You can just use the chemical, but it will react with the dirt first, so if you have a pressure washer, then give them a good clean. If you don't have a pressure washer, you might just need to do the chemical treatment a couple of times. You can see that this has cleaned the slabs up a little bit, but none of the black marks have really shifted. Next up is the chemical treatment. You want to use sodium hypochlorite for this, which is a concentrated version of a household bleach. I get this from a farm supply shop as it's a lot cheaper than buying it as a patio cleaner, but I'll also leave an Amazon link in the description for this. One important word of warning, make sure you're using PPE when you're using this stuff as it's pretty powerful. I'm wearing a face mask and eye protection, but you should also probably wear gloves. I'm adding in some dish soap to the mix as a surfactant. This basically helps reduce the surface tension of the bleach, allowing it to cover a larger area without it pooling. I'm applying this using a watering can, but you can also use a pump sprayer or just a bucket and a brush. You can dilute this with water, but when the black spots and lichen are bad like this, I just use it neat and I've never had an issue. If you have plants nearby, make sure to hose them down well first, and obviously try not to get any bleach on them, or it can kill them or bleach them. Obviously don't let any pets or children near these chemicals either until they're thoroughly washed away. You brush the sodium hypo into the slabs and then you just wait for it to do its magic. I find around 30 minutes is usually enough, but you can reapply it on tougher stains if needed. I had a few stubborn marks left, but these came off with a light pressure wash. Once your slabs are clean, just rinse them off well and you're done. And as you can see, all of that lichen and those black marks are all now gone. In the next video, I'm going to be finishing off my yard transformation by getting all the slabs pointed up, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that one. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.